guys, welcome back to a Goods and Things video. I'm Gabriel Lucena, and today we're going to be talking about things we're going to be doing in 2020 and about these projects you can get for free by clicking on the link down below. So the things we're going to be doing in 2020 is we're going to record a lot of videos in 2020. I'm just so excited for that. And we're gonna be selling some new products, and we're gonna be having releasing a new website called universalzones.com. It's releasing this year, so please stay tuned. We're gonna do a video on the day it releases. Once it releases, so Universal Zones is basically a website. The home page is like a galaxy, and each of them has different zones, and once you tap on the zones, they bring you to this page where they have products related to the zone you tapped on. But some zones aren't gonna be released during this year. We're still working. There's still gonna be some bugs we'd have to fix. And once it releases, once we record the video, comment down below. Comment down below if there's any bugs once we record that video once it releases. And now let's talk about the two new products. So these are one of the free exclusive products is these kitchen scissors. They're white and red. If you click on the link below, you could buy this, but also you could buy this electric cooking timer. It's like the other time. It's like all the other timers you see, but it is for cooking. Just like Goods and Things, it's a cooking website for cooking products. So yeah, that's what we'll be talking about in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Okay, don't go bye yet, guys.
Oh.
Wait, let me come in and say that.
Okay.
Those items right here, okay, this is free. You can claim this kitchen scissors for free. It will be a link below the video for you to claim that, and the cooking timer. You guys can claim them for free. Okay, this is a gift for you to be watching our videos and subscribe to our channel. Okay, please do click the little red button, subscribe to it, and just go in and claim for your items. Okay, I want to thank you guys to be watching our video. I want to thank you guys to be to come in to visit our page, Goods and Things, and hopefully we're gonna be releasing a lot of new products in 2020. And stay tuned.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. What else do you have to say?
Make sure you keep watching out, because we are about to release that channel soon, very soon,
with very exciting product from this guy right here, Gabriel Lucena. He's the head of everything. Thank you guys.
Thanks guys. Take care.